Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video on my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Yao Airport. Yao Airport is in Yao City, Osaka Prefecture. It has a long history. It started in 1938 as the Hanshin Flight School. Its biggest feature is two runways that cross each other. Only Haneda Airport has this same rail design in Japan. There are no scheduled passengers for flights here, but small Cessna planes and helicopters take off and land many times every day. People use them for sightseeing for flights, pilot training, and aerial news framing, uh, news filming. The airport is next to the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force for Yao Camp. Together, they play an important role during disasters. Unlike Itami Airport or Kansai Airport, Yao Airport has no observation deck or terminal building for visitors. There is basically no facility open to the public. Still, you can watch small planes take off and land up close from the behind the fence. This makes it a small but popular spot for aviation fans. Near the end of the airport road, there is a grassy open space. You can relax there and watch the Cessnas and helicopters. If you want a more active experience, try sightseeing flight. Companies like Asahi Air and REAIROS Skyview offer Cessna and helicopters tours that depart from Yao Airport. From the sky, you can see the landmark like Abe no Haruka's Osaka Castle and Empire Nintoku Mausron. Most flights last about 18 to 22 minutes. Prices start from around 40,000 yen, so you can enjoy a real sky adventure. To get there, walk about 50 minutes from Yao Minami Station on the Osaka Metro Tanimachi line. A taxi takes about 5 minutes. The airport operates from 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.